Welcome to NorthStar. When properly developed and administered budgets provide the following advantages to the organization except two. What are the advantages of budgets? Understand, it provides a basis for performance evaluation. It promotes communication and coordination by different departments and also motivates the employees and its managers to achieve the target mentioned in the budget, because budgets are quantitative targets. Let's look at the options. Provides a structure for measuring performance. Yes, this is one of the advantage of preparing budgets. Motivates managers and other employees. Yes, it motivates them to achieve the budgeted targets. Ensures that the companies makes profit. Answer does not look like a correct answer, but let's look at option D as well. Promotes efficient allocation of resources. Budgets promotes that proper allocation and efficient allocation of resources happens to the various departments. So the incorrect option or the wrong answer is option C here. Ensures that the organization makes profit. Remember, on a lighter side, if budget only ensures that the company would be making profit, companies would stop doing everything else and only concentrate on making budgets if the budget actually ensures profitability. So remember, budgets cannot ensure such profitabilities for the company. Thank you.